Have you noticed that some people seem to make money online consistently, while most people jump from one trend to another and never earn anything? The difference isn't luck. It's that successful people follow a simple path that almost everyone else ignores. If you're serious about building an online income over the next 6 to 12 months, this roadmap could save you years of trial and error. Let's break it down into 5 steps. Step 1. Stop chasing shiny objects. Most people fail for one simple reason. They keep switching strategies. One week it's dropshipping. The next week it's Amazon KDP, then crypto, then AI, then freelancing. The problem isn't that these methods don't work. The problem is they never stick with one long enough to become good at it. Instead of searching for the perfect side hustle, pick one business model that fits your skills and commit to it. Because consistency always beats constant switching. Step 2. Focus on one customer, not everyone. Trying to sell to everyone usually means selling to no one. Before creating content, answer these 4 questions. Who is your ideal customer? What problems do they have? What do they care about? What content are they already consuming? The clearer your audience becomes, the easier it is to create content that gets attention and drives sales. Step 3. Show the value. Don't just talk about it. Most people simply post a product and hope someone buys it. That's not marketing. Instead, show the product in action. Demonstrate how it works. Explain why it's better than the alternatives. Highlight the exact problem it solves. People don't buy products. They buy better outcomes. Step 4. Stay consistent, even when results are slow. This is where almost everyone quits. They post for 2 weeks, don't see sales, and assume the business doesn't work. But that's not how real businesses grow. Success comes from repeating the basics. Post consistently. Test new ideas. Talk to customers. Improve just one small thing every single day. Small improvements turn into big results. Step 5. Reinvest your profits. This is what separates the top 1%. Most people spend their first profits. Successful people reinvest them. Buy tools that save time. Invest in marketing. Outsource repetitive work. Focus your energy on growing the business instead of doing everything yourself. Money becomes truly powerful when it helps you make even more money. Here's the truth. Making money online isn't about finding a secret method. It's about choosing one path, staying consistent, solving real problems, reinvesting until your business grows. Do that long enough and you'll already be ahead of the vast majority of people trying to build an online income.